The mobile payment market in India is cashing in after the Indian government's sweeping decision to ban certain denomination currency last year. With long lines at ATMs and withdrawal limits at banks, one Indian digital wallet company, Paytm, saw an opportunity. People had little choice but to use mobile payments because of the acute cash shortage.
Today, you don't need to tell people about this app, Paytm. Everyone already has it. Even milkmen, drivers, everyone knows about it because the transition happened very easily because people were forced to use it.
Paytm, backed by Alibaba, saw a sharp rise in online payments, replacing cash transactions. The increase has enticed companies like Google's Pays to enter the Indian digital payment app market. According to one report, by 2020, at least half of all online buying in India will take place on a mobile device, with consumers spending more than $50 billion in the next 5 years. But economist Sanjay Mehrotra says in a country where people have still not transitioned to using debit and credit cards, cashless India remains a dream.
We are nowhere close to that point where we can even dream of going cashless for a variety of reasons. You know, in 1947, India was a country of about 300 million people. Today, we are a country where 300 million people are illiterate. So, you know, if they can't even read what is on their mobile phones, don't expect them to suddenly go cashless.
There is also concern about cybersecurity. In urban India, vendors like these now accept digital payments. But that's not the case in rural India. In fact, digital and financial literacy remains a major cause of concern. In most of rural India, people do not even understand how to conduct basic financial transactions. Apple is also looking at launching its mobile payment app, Apple Pay, in India. But it's a crowded market already, with many Indian companies vying for some of the bottom line. Research by one consulting agency in India shows that the number of people using mobile wallets increased by only 9% between July and September this year. The previous quarter increase was 24%, an indication the pace of growth is slowing down. This is also a sign that Indians may be moving back to cash transactions, even as the government vows to continue its crackdown on corruption and tax evasion. Shweta Bajaj, CGTN, New Delhi, India.